Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have editor access to the Figma file and a properly encoded MP4. Open the file and pick the frame or component where you want the video to live. This saves repositioning later. Next, drag the video from your folder into Figma or use the file place image/video command. Do this now so the video becomes an object you can size. Once done, make sure the video layer is selected for the next adjustments. Now you refine how the video displays and behaves. With the video layer selected, resize while holding Shift to preserve aspect ratio, or use exact dimensions in the right panel for pixel-perfect placement. In the Fill or Properties area, confirm the media is set as video so playback controls appear. Then decide why it should autoplay, loop, or stay muted. These choices affect user experience and load. Make sure to preview locally, so you can finish by testing playback in present mode to verify timing, sound, and loop behavior. This confirms what users will see. If you're sharing a prototype, use Figma's share link so viewers can stream the video without downloads. When exporting, remember videos export as embedded media in prototypes rather than standalone assets. If the upload fails, check file size, convert to H.264 MP4, and ensure your connection is stable, then re-import. If problems persist, clear cache or try a different browser as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.